So you want to build a website but don't know how to code and don't want to learn a complicated platform that will turn your hair gray in 3 hours? Don't worry. That's why I'll be showing you how to use a Hostinger AI website builder and prove that you can build a website without any prior website building knowledge. If you want to build a website with AI, first you're going to need a plan. Hostinger has 2 website building plans in total, Premium and Business. The Premium plan is a simple starting point, offering 1 website. It's perfect if you want something simple, like a blog. However, the Business plan is basically the only solid option if you're thinking about creating an e-commerce website with the Hostinger AI website builder. With this plan, you not only get 50 websites, but also a wider business AI toolset. For this reason, in this video, I'll be using the Business plan, and I suggest you get it too. It's just a tad more expensive, but considering all the extra tools you get, it's so much more worth it, especially if you choose a longer billing period. This way, you'll save the most money by getting the lowest renewal price. Oh, and an important thing to mention, Hostinger has a bunch of other AI-based projects like Reach Email Marketing and Horizon's Web App Creator. During this video, I'll only be covering the Hostinger website builder. However, if you want separate videos on Reach and Horizons, feel free to leave suggestions in the comments below. But speaking of lower prices, you can save even more money by clicking the link in the description or scanning the QR code on screen. This way, you'll get the Hostinger website builder plans for the lowest price possible. Let's get into the website creation. All you have to do is choose that you're going to build your website with AI, then write a short prompt about what your website will be about. The website generation generally takes about a minute, so if you want to make your coffee, I suggest doing it before the whole process. Once it's done loading, you can customize the website however you'd like. Keep in mind though that if you want a completely different vibe, you'll need to generate a new one, which you can do completely free. Before generating the website with the AI website builder, you may have noticed that you also have the option to choose templates, over 300 to be exact. Interestingly enough, most of them have AI functionality too. So you get this hybrid between manual and AI work. But hey, if you're going the template route, I recommend using AI-ready templates. You can generate text, images, and even meta descriptions for SEO. But for the sake of this Hostinger AI review, I won't focus on templates too much. Speaking of editing, with Hostinger, it's super straightforward. You can move and replace images, text, and switch up the layout. There's also an abundance of tools that the AI website builder offers. If you want your website to feel more official, there's an AI logo maker to save you some money on graphic designers. But it can also generate different images, not just logos. Hostinger is also the perfect e-commerce AI website builder with its AI product information generator and SEO assistant to help your website stand out in Google search results. I'd say this is definitely a website builder for beginners. When you're starting out with content in general, it's only natural to struggle with things like not knowing how to write good copy or lacking design and SEO skills. Hostinger's AI can help you get unstuck so you're not staring at an empty page wondering what to write or how to optimize your website. When it comes to e-commerce, Hostinger's AI website builder is a great platform for a small business. You get to manage all of your products and services in one system. There's the ability to connect multiple payment options, and most importantly, you get 0% transaction fees. That means the money you make from selling your product is yours and only yours. Now, if you want to manage a large store in the future, don't worry. Hostinger's definitely getting there with its roadmap and constant updates. So now you have your website and all that's left is to publish it. The process is as simple as clicking a button, literally. Once you click publish, your website is live. Now you can come back to it and really take in the masterpiece you made. Go ahead, click around, see if everything works the way it's supposed to. Now that you saw how easy Hostinger's no-code website builder is, why not share my discount code with your friends and introduce them to the world of affordable web builders? And subscribe while you're at it. All in all, if you want to build a website quickly without any coding or spending money on graphic design, Hostinger's AI website builder is your go-to. So I hope you enjoyed this Hostinger for Beginners tutorial. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them in the comments and I'll see you later.